It's raining again. Like people say, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. Creator's fate is the common fate of all. Into each life, some rain must fall. Then why it always rains on tents? Rainstorms will travel thousands of miles against prevailing winds for the opportunity to rain on a tent. But there is no other medicine like rain which gives hope, no incentive so great for humanity, and no tonic so powerful as the expectation of something great tomorrow.